Verifying ownership of your Blogger site is essential for using tools like Google Search Console, Google AdSense, and other services that require site verification. Here's how to verify ownership on Blogger. Sign into Blogger. Log into your Blogger account and open the blog you want to verify. Access Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console and sign in with the same Google account linked to your Blogger. Add your blog to Search Console. In the Search Console dashboard, click Add Property and enter your blog's URL. Click Continue. Choose a verification method. Google will offer multiple verification methods. The easiest way for Blogger is to use HTML tag or Google Analytics. HTML tag. Select the HTML tag option and copy the meta tag provided. Google Analytics. If you have Google Analytics set up, you can verify using your Analytics account. Add the verification code in Blogger. In Blogger, go to Settings, Search Preferences. Under Ownership Verification, paste the meta tag in the head section. Save the settings and return to Search Console to click Verify.